English and Spanish Cafe with Chris and Isabella. You are walking through a loud, colorful Spanish market. Fruit, vegetables, flowers, fresh bread everywhere. A vendor looks right at you and says something in Spanish. You smile, you nod, you have absolutely no idea what just happened. Today, we fix that. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to ask for things, talk about colors, use basic numbers, and actually shop at a Spanish market like you have done it before. Quick thing before we start. If you are new here, welcome to English and Spanish Cafe. We teach real, everyday Spanish in the simplest way possible. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a lesson. It is free and it really helps us keep making this for you.
We would love to have you here every week. Now, let us get into it.
Welcome back to English and Spanish Cafe. I'm your host, and with me is my co-host joining us from Spain.
Hola, everyone. Markets in Spain are one of my favorite places. They are loud, beautiful, and full of real, everyday Spanish. So this episode is very close to my heart.
Today, we're keeping everything A1 and A2. Short phrases, simple words, real Spanish you can actually use the moment you walk into any market in a Spanish-speaking country. You see something you like. First thing you need to know, how to ask the price.
¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? ¿Cuánto means how much. Cuesta means it costs. You can point at anything and say, ¿Cuánto cuesta? And the vendor will tell you the price immediately.
Repeat after me. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
This is probably the single most useful phrase at any market, anywhere in the world. Learn it first, use it always.
Before we go further, you need to know your basic numbers because prices are everywhere.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, 1 through 10. Let us say them together.
Repeat each one. Uno. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Cinco.
Those 5 are your foundation. Keep practicing. Numbers unlock everything at a market.
You found what you want. Now you need to ask for it. This is the easiest way.
Quiero uno de esto. I want one of this. Quiero means I want. Uno means one. De esto means of this. Just point and say it. That's simple.
Say it. Quiero uno de esto. Quiero uno de esto.
You can change uno to dos or tres depending on how many you want. Quiero dos de esto. I want 2 of this. Same structure every time.
Markets are full of color, and sometimes you need to describe exactly what you are looking for.
Rojo is red. Amarillo is yellow. Verde is green. Azul is blue. Blanco is white. Negro is black. These are your 6 most useful colors, and you can combine them with anything. Quiero el rojo. I want the red one. Quiero el verde. I want the green one.
Repeat the colors.
Rojo.
Amarillo. Verde. Azul.
Colors make shopping so much easier. You can describe almost anything with just those words.
Want something, but you only see a little of it. How do you ask if there is more?
¿Tiene más? Do you have more? Tiene means do you have. Más means more. 2 words. Super easy and very useful when something looks almost sold out.
Repeat. ¿Tiene más? ¿Tiene más?
You can also add the item after. ¿Tiene más manzanas? Do you have more apples? Same structure, just add the word.
You are doing really well. If this is helping you, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe right now. New episodes every single week, all designed for beginners just like you.
Leave a like, too. It helps so many more people find us and start learning with us.
5 more phrases. Let us keep going. The vendor tells you the price. It is way too high. Here is what you say.
Es muy caro. It is very expensive. Es means it is. Muy means very. Caro means expensive. Say it with a small shake of the head, and the vendor might just lower the price for you.
Repeat. Es muy caro. Es muy caro.
This one is very fun to use, and honestly, it works more often than you would expect.
At Spanish markets, a lot of food is sold by weight. Here is how you ask for an amount.
¿Me da un kilo? Can you give me a kilo? Me da means can you give me. Un kilo means 1 kilo. You can change the amount. Medio kilo is half a kilo. 2 kilos is 2 kilos.
Repeat. ¿Me da un kilo? ¿Me da un kilo?
Very natural. Very local. See this and people will be genuinely impressed.
You want the freshest thing at the stall. Here is the one word that says everything.
Fresco, por favor. Fresh, please. Fresco means fresh. You can also say muy fresco, which means very fresh. Point at the freshest looking item and say fresco, por favor, and the vendor will understand exactly what you want.
Say it. Fresco, por favor. Fresco, por favor.
Short, direct, and it always works at a food market.
You got what you wanted. You are happy. Here is how you leave like a local.
Gracias. Hasta luego. Thank you. See you later. Gracias means thank you. Hasta luego means see you later or goodbye. Together, they make the perfect natural exit from any interaction.
Repeat. Gracias. Hasta luego. Gracias. Hasta luego.
2 phrases.
1 goodbye.
Simple, warm, and completely natural.
Final recap. I say it in English. You say the Spanish out loud. Ready? How much does it cost? I want one of this. Do you have more? It is very expensive. Can you give me a kilo? Fresh, please. Thank you. See you later. Markets are where real, everyday Spanish lives. Not in textbooks, not in classrooms. Out there, between real people, real food, and real conversations. And now, you have the words to be part of that.
Every time you try, even just one phrase, you are connecting with an entire culture. And that is something really beautiful.
Your challenge today. Go to the comments and write your market order in Spanish. Use anything from today. Quiero uno de esto. Es muy caro. Anything at all. We want to see it.
We read every single comment. Every one.
Subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe, leave a like, and share this with someone learning Spanish right now. It means everything to us.
Hasta luego, amigos.
See you in the next one.